Let's all watch as Emmy throws a walleye fit because she is so tired and don't want to go to sleep. Look at that mean face. Are you mad, Emmy? Emmy Ruth. Hey. Are you full of madness? What is the matter, Emmy? Why are you so mad? Oh, Emmy Ruth. 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 Are you mad? Are you mad? What is matter? You don't want to?